In the Rococo review of robotic ruses, where EAs extol endless equities yet engender empty exchequers, I've been the Rye ringmaster reigning over the gold asset v1.26 MT4 on my Vantage Markets account for months. And zounds, it's asset-id my account to plus 197.05% gains with the panache of a parodic portfolio protector. A Telegram tattler trumpeted it as the EA that turns gold into an asset class of one. And after its droll dominion over drawdowns, I'm bound to burlesque this bounty. Hearken to my review of this golden asset guardian. The zip folder for the gold asset EAV 1.26 MT4 disrobes with ducal decorum. A brisk right-click and extract here liberates the EX4 file, set file, and installation instructions, PDF in seconds. I ferried the EX4 to MT4's experts enclave, refreshed with relish, affixed the gold asset EAV 1.26 MT4 to XAUUSD's M1 proscenium, invoked the set file, and it commenced its pirouette of trades forthwith. No tantrums, no tardy DLLs, merely the elegance of expedience. Peruse MyFXBook as one might, a scandal sheet, and there the gold asset EAV 1.26 MT4 parades its plus 197.05% absolute gain escapade on Vantage Markets, ballooning deposits into $7,201.58 US dollars balance with $10,741.58 US dollars profit after withdrawals. Daily 0.60% chuckles, monthly 19.76% guffaws, equity curve of bemused ascent lampooning manual traders flatlines, with nary a notable nadir. Profitability at 98%, meaning 2,041 of 2,046 trades winners, way above the 60% benchmark for gold bots that chase wild swings. Average win? A juicy 1,044,436 pips per USC 10.74 per pop, while losses are reined in at minimal thanks to the gold asset EAV 1.26. MT4's built-in precision gold-only engine and strict risk control that keep drawdowns tame. Get this, net pips? 1,044,436. That's the kind of hedge that compounds fast on volatile XAUUSD moves without overtrading. Drawdowns only 23.25% absolute, so even in choppy sessions, equity barely blinked, risk of ruin negligible. Profit factor high more than covers it. For every dollar risked, you're pulling in massive back. Commissions? Low on my broker, but even with fees, the expectancy of high per trade covers it easy. Average hold time reasonable for MO1 entries. This month's analytics? Steady climb with the graph drawdown barely a blip. It's not just surviving market noise, it's thriving, giving me time to actually enjoy the wins instead of glued to screens. If you're after bots that deliver 197% plus yearly without the heart attacks, this gold asset EAV 1.26 MT4 is the real deal, hands down. Alright, let's go to the backtesting part quick. Fired the gold asset EAV 1.26 MT4 on MT4 with ticks from September 25 data, and solid numbers. Initial deposit $10,000, total net profit $248.68, gross profits $868.82, edging out losses of negative $620.14 for that clean edge. Trades total. Balanced, win rate high overall, average trade netting positive with max drawdown low absolute. Quick scalps, no drama, perfect for live confidence. So, wrapping this up, if the gold asset EAV 1.26 MT4 has you as pumped as it has me after testing it hands-on, head over to our website where this specific bot is available right now. Full details in the description below, including that instant download link for the set file and manual. To stay in the loop on updates, performance tweaks, and more insider tips, just join our Telegram group. It's the spot for real traders chatting gold asset EAV 1.26 MT4 strategies. Links right there too. Alright, that's my take. Happy trading, folks.